If you're watching this video, you're probably looking for a quick and easy way to glow up before school starts. Whether you're just here to update your beauty knowledge or you just want a fresh start, this is your go-to guide for how to glow up in just 24 hours. And yes, it's 100% affordable. I'm going to cover everything from hair, hygiene, makeup, and mental mindset. Realistic steps that don't require fancy products or hours of work. Just simple things you can do to feel and look your best in one day. This video is a collaboration with Inspo, so make sure to check out their video. I left a link in the description. Step 1. Hair refresh. Let's start with your hair, because healthy, shiny hair gives a powerful first impression. First, trim your split ends. Just use simple hairdressing scissors to cut off those frizzy dry tips. If you don't know how to do it, you can look up videos on YouTube or go to a hairstylist. Next, bring your hair back to life with a proper hair care routine. Start with shampoo. Wash out the dirt and oils from the roots of your hair with a nice foaming shampoo, then rinse out the suds with warm water. Next, use a deep hair conditioner or hair mask to give your hair a bit of extra love. Apply it generously from mid-length to the ends, and leave it on for about 30 minutes before washing it out with clean water. Hair masks bring back softness and shine to hair that's been dry or dull. After hair care, the next big thing to focus on is styling. A cute hairstyle makes all the difference, and learning a few basic hairstyles can save you so much time in the mornings. Whether you have straight hair or kinky hair that is done up in braids, there are so many fun alternatives. You can get a sleek ponytail to hold back your hair, a pretty bun, or just let your hair down to appreciate your natural beauty. While you're on YouTube, look up tutorials on doing your edges. Laid edges look so cute and can take a basic hairstyle into an it-girl ensemble. Another hair trick you can try for overnight glow-up is getting bangs. But keep something in mind. You shouldn't do bangs if you don't have experience with it, or you might make a huge mess and end up having to wear a hat to school. Go to a hairstylist and get your cute bangs. You can also use a hair straightener or curler to style your hair and give it a bit of extra pizzazz, and if your school allows it, you can dye your hair a pretty color like blonde, jet black, or even red. If you wear braids, you can get braids made with braided hair in fun colors like burgundy or bright pink. Just make sure it's allowed at your school and is something you feel confident in. Step 2. Simple makeup. Let's be honest, makeup is low-key a game changer when it comes to improving natural beauty. But a lot of girls don't do it because they assume you have to spend hundreds of dollars on a full glam kit. That's simply not true. You don't have to spend hours dolling up in the morning to look good for school. To be honest, a natural and simple makeup look is actually more effective and is better for your skin because it reduces the chances of breakouts. Let's learn it right now. Start with a light-colored lip gloss and cream blush. These two products are great because they give your skin a soft flush and bring a pop of color to your lips without doing too much. As an alternative, you can also use lip tint and cheek tints. Now for those gorgeous eyes. The eyes are the window to the soul, right? So let's get to making them pop. First, apply a layer of mascara to make your lashes look more full and lengthened. Just a few coats can make a huge difference. Next, use an eyebrow pencil to fill in your brows. It helps define your face. To brighten your complexion, use a small amount of concealer to hide the blemishes on your face. Dab some under your eyes to hide dark circles, around the sides of your nose to cancel house redness, and a tiny bit in the center of your forehead to hide hyperpigmentation. Don't forget to blend it well with Beauty Sponge so that it looks natural. You don't need too much, just enough to freshen you up. This entire makeup routine takes under 10 minutes, and it makes you look awake, glowing, and ready for school without doing too much. Step 3. Health and wellness. The best glow-up starts from the inside. Your skin, energy, and even your mood improve when you're taking care of your body. Here are a few things to keep in mind. Too much sugar is not good for you, so try to avoid having soda too often. Here's a simple trick. If you're craving a bottle of soda, drink a bottle of water first. This will help reduce the cravings and will make you feel full. Sometimes, it turns out your body just needs hydration. On top of this, try to keep a water bottle with you throughout the day and make sure it's filled with water. If you always have a bottle of water nearby, you'll naturally drink more water, and your skin and lips will thank you for it. Next, move your body. School is starting soon, so you don't have to go to the gym or do a long workout. Just stretch for 10 minutes, follow a 15 minutes workout video, or take a walk outside. Doing this the night before school can help you turn your body and improve your posture, which is a huge part of glowing up and giving you energy for a brand new school year. Step 4. Hygiene upgrade. No matter how good your outfit, hair, and makeup might be, hygiene is what really makes you feel clean, confident, and fresh. Whoever heard of a cute girl with unwashed or body odor?
Exactly.
First, let's start with dental hygiene. Brush your teeth twice a day, but don't stop there. Make sure you brush your tongue and the roof of your mouth. This helps prevent bad breath and keeps your mouth smelling fresh and free of cavities. On top of this, use dental floss every night to remove any buildup between your teeth and reduce the risk of plaque. Next, check your nails. Clean underneath them and gently remove cuticles as you can. Also remember to wash your hands whenever you touch something dirty so dirt doesn't get into your nails. This gives your hands more neater, more cared for. Next up, let's talk about skincare. While TikTok and Instagram would have you feeling like you need to spend thousands of dollars on ultra-expensive skincare products, you don't actually need more than a few basic things: cleanser, moisturizer, and a face mask. Use the cleanser and moisturizer every morning and night, before you leave the house and right before you go to bed. Use the face mask at least twice a week to clear up dullness and add moisture back into your skin. After that, get a nice warm shower and apply body moisturizer. Soft and clean skin is always in. Step 5. Personal style. You don't need a brand new closer to glow up. You just need a few pieces that will fit well and make you feel confident. Start by investing in the basics. Get out your plain tops, cute trousers, and dresses that feel comfortable, look clean, and flatter your body shape. When picking outfits for a school, try to balance the body proportions. For example if you're wearing a tie top, go with loose jeans. If your pants are tight, tear them with a big t-shirt or sweater. You don't have to wear the same colors for every outfit, but try to keep things coordinated. For example, let your top match your shoes or your trousers. And try to invest in some accessories, like earrings and necklace or bracelets. These small touches can make your outfit look intentional and polished. If you're not sure what looks good on you, scroll through Pinterest or TikTok and look at outfit inspo from people with similar body types. It'll help you figure out what cuts and styles to try. If your school doesn't allow you wear whatever you want and you have to wear a school uniform, your job just became a whole lot easier. Just make sure your uniform is always clean, well ironed, and kept free from dust and stains, and make sure that your school shoes are always bright and polished. And that's it. That's your 24-hour glow-up routine. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe for more school and lifestyle tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a glow-up moment.